Blue Pearl Software is an electronic design automation company that was formed 6 years ago by some of the best technical minds in the industry, real pioneers in EDA. One of the things that we wanted to do with Blue Pearl Software was to develop software in areas where people were having real problems getting their designs through. We looked at doing design analysis at the functional level to give designers real control over the design flow through synthesis. We also wanted to give designers the ability to automatically generate timing constraints and verify that those constraints were correct. Along the way, we came out with our first version of the software that was used by several companies in the industry. We really proved and validated the results of what we were doing. Through extensive use by these customers, they then came back and told us what to put in our next generation of software. So in this year, we came out with a new Blue Pearl software suite that is revolutionary in the industry. First of all, it is brutally easy to use. It is the easiest to use software in the industry. We have taken very complex techniques like RTL analysis, clock domain checking, and the generation of timing constraints automatically, and put them in a software with a new user interface where any level of designer can use these techniques. That is revolutionary in EDA. One of the things you can do when you generate our timing constraints is to click on that constraint. You can see the from, through, and to path represented schematically. You can also see why it is a fault or multi-cycle path. So you can visually verify right away that the paths that we have generated automatically are correct. This dramatically cuts down on the time it takes designers to complete a design. So I would ask you to look at the new Blue Pearl software suite. It can really change the way that you use design automation tools.